Use the function Create Round or Angled Corner in the Tools menu. It is then very easy to modify corner designs quickly. Define the desired parameters for the corner design in the dialog box, and click the two corresponding members in RSTAB while the dialog box remains open. Like in the structural frame and truss analysis software, lines have to be clicked when performing corner design in RFEM. It is thus possible to round not only members, but also already existing surfaces.